Hi guys, it's Wahanula here. I thought today I'll show you my trading 212 account and how it's been doing, and what future investments I'll be doing in the future as well. So let's get to it. Alright, let's go in here. So this is my trading 212 ISA account. At the moment I'm up 169.02. I think majority of that is my Tesla shares. So I did have one Tesla share, but after the split, I had five, but I've sold one. Just I don't know, I just sold it really. But so mainly my goal for my ISA account is for a to have a dividend portfolio. So so these are just a few that I've researched that I think in the long term will be a pretty good dividend portfolio as I slowly grow it. So number one at the moment, I've got Apple. I'm 5 shares with them. Currently down £29, but this is just a long term thing that I want to do with my ISA portfolio. Their dividends is pretty good. So if we go through it, so plus they had an Apple had a split as well, 1 to 4, I think it was. So their prices have gone down quite a bit now. But, so market cap 2.29 trillion. That's literally crazy. So their dividend yield is 0.61%. But they're steady dividend, and I'll probably in the future I probably will sell them off once I've once the value of the shares go up. But yeah. Um, Aviva is another great share. That I'm really interested in buying more into, so I'm quite down by 62p, but that doesn't really bother me. What I'm really interested in is the dividend yield that they're doing. I think I just heard recently that they started to pay their dividends again. I think they did pause it at the beginning of the year. At the moment it's 2.19%, which isn't too bad, and the market cap is 10.75 billion. The reason why I like trading 212 is because they give all these information, and whereas free trade don't really give all this information. Um, but even though I do have a free trade account as well. But yeah, so that's Aviva there, and I currently have 12.9 shares with them. League in General is a very good one. I think there is a very solid investment with League in General. The share price has gone down across. So if you look at the yearly graph before the pandemic, um, it was like £3, like shot down in March to £2.10. So it's roughly hovered up. I am looking to invest another £200 or so in my League and General shares. Very good, very good dividend yield as well with them. They do all sorts. Market cap of 12.2 billion. Their dividend is 8.58%, so it's very good. And they definitely this year they haven't cancelled their dividends, and I still think it's a very solid dividend share to invest in as well with them. Lloyd's, I thought they'll still be doing their dividends, but I think they've cancelled it for the year. Um, so I won't really go into that one. I might just sell them, but I'll just keep hold of it as well, just for the long term. PayPoint is another decent dividend yield. I've kind of got nearly 20 shares of them, £124.45. My returns down before by £4.90, but it's more. If you look through the years, like up and down. Oop, where's it gone? Yeah, if you look through the years, like up and down. At one point last year, it was like £10. So who knows? For the long term, it can go up, but I'm just looking at the dividends, as this is mainly a dividend portfolio. Great dividend yields, 9.2%. So I think the ex-dividend is just gone past, so the payment date is around September. I'm not sure what day, but a good way to find out when they pay out is Dividend Max or Hargreaves Lansdown. They're pretty decent websites to find out which companies are still paying dividends as well. So they're pretty decent websites. And Vodafone is another one that is very good. I think recently I got paid a dividends with them. Wasn't too long ago. I think it was like 4p a share. Their dividend 0.48%, 28.2 billion market cap. And I think Vodafone is a very solid group to invest in. They have slashed their dividends past few months for this year because of the pandemic again. But yeah, that's pretty decent. Future dividends that I'm hoping to invest in is Sentiment. I think they're pretty decent, but National Grid is a one that I really want to get into. I think they'll be a very good company to invest in. So their dividend yield is 5.62%, market cap of 30.4 billion. So I think I definitely think they're one of my future investments that hopefully I'll get into. And there's a few other stocks that I really am quite interested in. I might invest in more in Aviva and PayPoint, and definitely Sentiment, League in General, and National Grid as well. So, but yeah, if you really want to, if you're interested in opening a trading 212 account, you can get a free share with them, and you get a free share, I get a free share, and it could be any share really. It could be up to £100, a free share really. So if you're interested, just click on my link and let me know what you think of my portfolio as well. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I can upload more future portfolio updates as well. Thank you.